everybody, welcome to my video today. Happy Monday. I hope you're having a wonderful day. I wanted to kick this week off with a look at my Christmastime Is Here class, or the Christmas Rose class. The stamp set is named Christmas Rose, but the entire suite of product is named Christmastime Is Here. So I know it is a little bit confusing, but I wanted to show you guys this product and then show you the class that I have and show you 12 different projects with this suite of product. So this is the Christmastime Is Here Suite. You can see you can get all of this all together in the suite bundle. So you get the designer paper, the ribbon, the glitter dots, the stamp set, the dies, and then the really beautiful bracelet. So you can do that. That's an option with this product. You can get the bundle, which is the stamp set, which I have right here. So it's a double stamp set. And the great thing about this stamp set is there is this really large, here my die is just tucked in, there's this really large image here, and it is a cling stamp, and so it's the red rubber, and it's really large. The die will cut this out. It matches this rose right here on the designer paper, which is really beautiful, and the die will also cut out this piece here. So that's really nice. And then the second set is a photopolymer set, and it is the distinctive stamping, which means when you stamp this, you're going to get a really beautiful impression and look, and you're not going to have to layer anything. It's a really, really cool way that the stamps are designed. In fact, they feel almost like there's nothing there. Like when you look at it and you feel it, it almost doesn't feel like it will even stamp an image, but it's gorgeous when it stamps. So it's a two set. This is the Christmas Rose, and then the bundle, when you get the bundle together, you get the dies, and mine are just tucked right in here. There's a couple of these really fun label dies that I really love. This one looks a lot like our stitched nestled dies. So there's that. So you can do the bundle and that will save you 10%. When you do the entire suite of product, you still save the 10% that you would save if you were just doing the bundle. So here's all of the items, the stamp set. I love the greetings in here. I love the way that they are. The dies, the paper, the bracelet, and then the fun enamel dots. These are some of my favorite, the glitter enamel dots. You guys know that I love, love, love enamel dots. So the gold ones are really gorgeous, and then there's some shimmery ribbon. So I wanted to show you what my class features. This is the Christmas Rose. Let's call it the Christmas Rose class. And you get to make 4 cards in this class. I do a lot of heat embossing with gold embossing powder, so you get to see a lot of those techniques. You can see how it shimmers. You'll get all the pieces for the card kit plus an envelope. So you get all the pieces already cut and everything. I use some glitter paper here. So this is the first card. Inside, you see the layer here, so you will get that. This is probably my favorite one here. And then there is this one here. And you can see we do some background stamping, some more gold embossing. It's just gorgeous. This paper is really, really pretty. Then we have this one here, and there's, again, that gold glimmer paper you will get. We do some gold embossing. You can use your gold ink pad if you manage to grab up our gold ink pad. You can use that instead of gold embossing. That will work too. So I have several options for you. And then the fourth card is this one right here. Again, very pretty with the gold enamel dots. So what you get with this class, when you sign up to do the class, there are a couple options that you can do. You can sign up to, all you have to do is purchase a stamp set and dies. If you don't want any of the other product, that's totally fine. You purchase the stamp set and the die. There's an option for that. And then you get the class. So you get all 4 of the card kits with envelopes. You get a quarter pack of the designer paper, and the great thing about this designer paper is you get several of the same sheets. So it's not, you don't get 6 different designs, and then that way you can put together the cards, which is really nice. You get less designs, but more of those papers. You get 4 each of the 3 designs. So you get a quarter pack of the designer paper, all the card kit and envelopes, and then you're going to get the gold enamel dots. You get 3 rows of those, and you'll be able to put together your cards. You can just purchase the product if you want and get the class. There is a sign-up form below, and you can fill that out to get the class. All of my classes come with exclusive videos to put the cards together. You'll see me put all of these beautiful cards together. And then it also comes with a PDF, and I have a bonus PDF for you guys. So you'll get the PDF that features all 4 of these cards with the measurements and the color combo, the supplies we use. And then you will get this PDF, which features 8 projects using this suite of products, using the Christmas rose. So you'll get to see how all of these projects are put together. We have some really beautiful cards. We do some gold embossing on these projects. Very beautiful. There is the copper tin is featured in one of these projects. There is a really simple card that is really worth putting together, one of my favorites from this. There is a 3D project in this. There is a money holder project in this. And so you will get to see a total of 12 different projects using the Christmas Rose set when you sign up for the class. So make sure you fill out the form and get that in. This class is open for the rest of the week, and then I'm going to close it up so that I can get everything shipped out to you guys, and I can make sure that nothing goes on back order. I've purchased the designer paper and the gold enamel dots, so you won't worry about missing those at all. So thank you guys so much. I'm excited about this class. I loved creating these cards. I always feel like using gold embossing powder is something that I gravitate towards during Christmas. So it was a perfect way to launch me into getting those embossing powders out and using them. So thank you guys so much. I will be back tomorrow, and I hope you're having a wonderful week.